Let's talk about the other sections of the lab, starting from the sample collection. This is where you manage the patient's sample collection processes. Here, these are the patients that need their samples to be collected. So you select what needs to be collected. Add the notes. Put the sample volume and all the necessary information. And then you mark that you've collected the sample. The next one is the lab result entry. This is where you input and manage the laboratory test results. You come down here and click on Enter Result, and then put the necessary feedback and submit. When you come here, you'll notice that you can just save or you can sign off. What this sign off means is, if you are using a 2-level process option, you can just sign off from here before saving. That means that in a 2-level process, you send the report during the result entry. As we discussed in an earlier video, there are 3 process options. We have the 2-level process, we have the 3-level process, and the 4-level process. This is where the 2-level process will end. If you are using a 3-level process option, then you need to come to the lab result review. Currently, there are no results waiting for review, but if you are using a 3-level process option, this is where the results will come, for the person that will review the results before approving it. Also, if you are using a 4-level process, it will get to the approval stage. After the review, the person that reviewed it will send it for approval. Currently, there is no result waiting for approval here. This is the final step and the last process option, where the person designated to authorize lab results will have to approve it. The next is inquiries. This is where you handle patient and staff inquiries related to laboratory services. You can as well select the reception or the waiting room and call a patient who is waiting. The next is the download test reports. After results have been approved, you can download the test report file from here. You can as well use the search button to search for a specific result. We have the import text request. This is where you upload a test request that was sent from another clinic or hospital. We have external test requests. This is when a patient comes to the clinic or hospital only to do a test without the need to see a doctor. Then we have finally on this list, the price listing. You use the price list to add or adjust prices of the laboratory services. You can edit the list here or export to Excel.